What is the probability of knowing what is going to happen after the elections, right? This chart right here shows us exactly what usually happens after every election. This is the chart of the US Russell 2000. Now, why we're using the US Russell 2000? Because the US Russell 2000 is a stock market index that measures the performance of 2000 smaller companies. As you can see, it's better used compared to the S&P 500 because it's a bellwether for the US economy. So through that chart, you can judge whether the US economy is doing fine. And right here, I have marked every single place where we had elections, or probably in the last 3 elections. As you can see in 2012, right here, this was after the elections. We saw that the Russell 2000 saw a massive pump to the upside. The same thing happened in 2016 when Trump won. We saw another push to the upside. 2012 was Obama. We saw a push to the upside. 2016 was Trump. We saw a push to the upside. 2020 was Joe Biden. We saw a massive push to the upside. And what has happened to Bitcoin in those periods? We can see the same thing has happened to Bitcoin, or basically the crypto market. After every elections, we usually see a massive pump right here in the crypto market, right? So as you can see in 2012 when Obama won, we can see that massive pump which we had in the crypto market right here for Bitcoin, or basically crypto in general. The same thing we saw in 2016 when Trump won. We saw a massive push to the upside right here in the crypto market. The same thing happened in 2020. We saw another massive push to the upside. So basically, we can safe to say that usually after elections, we usually see a massive push to the upside. Now, we want to estimate what could happen after this election and what could we see the price prediction right here for this coin. Here for Illuvium versus the USD Theta on the weekly time frame. KuCoin is the data source, and we said if our post-election theory is anything to write home about, which means after every election we usually see a push to the upside, at least since crypto was invented. Then basically around this period we should expect also another push right here for Illuvium to the upside. At least minimum we could see a push towards those highs which we had in 2023 and 2024. Take note, I said minimum. So if we see that push currently right here at least, or the minimum right here to our normal highs, we could see about a 250% push right here to those highs, which will put the price of Illuvium around those $109, right? So if that happens exactly as predicted, we could see that push towards that 109 level, and I would be here right here giving you the updates right here on the channel. So you want to make sure you are subscribed and turn on the post notification, as I would be giving you updates as regards this going forward. Thank you for watching and have a blessed week.